STEM Friday is sponsored by Bricks and Minifigs.
Welcome back. Today we are getting creative with music and fruit. We've got Jim Pittman and Amorè Clark from STEM NOLA here to show us how to play the piano with bananas. I'm intrigued. You've got me hooked. How do we do this? How does this work?
So, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. How do I play the piano with bananas?
So, right now we're showing a simple circuit right here,
okay.
And this is one of the stations we do for our STEM Fest called Makey Makey. So, right now, if I touch the banana, nothing's going to happen because the circuit is open. But if I hold the ground clip and I press the banana.
Okay, so you're closing the circuit by holding it, or grounding it by holding it?
Yes, I'm closing it because what ground is, it's a way for the current to go back to return to the pad. And so if I don't hold it, the current has nowhere to go. But
now, there's more to it than just the current. So first of all, the banana has electrical current in it, is what you're telling me.
Yes, because bananas have a natural current because it has potassium, electrolytes, and water.
But then you go a step further, because not only are you making this circuit, but you've somehow connected it to the computer and programmed it to hit certain notes with each banana?
Right. So how that works is, so on the Makey Makey little board, it has up, down, right, left, space, and click. So that mimics what's on the computer. So on the piano, it has up, down, left, right, space, and click. So. But
you assigned that to different keys.
Right.
Amazing. Well, I'm no musician, even on the bananas. Y'all have an event coming up, so if people are looking to try out cool stuff like this, they can find you in the river parishes.
Yes, we're going to be in Reserve, Louisiana tomorrow for a STEM Saturday, the heart and circulatory system. Kids are going to be able to build their own mechanical heart. They're going to be dissecting real sheep hearts. It's going to be a lot of fun for kids in grades kindergarten through 12th grade. Go to our website and sign up. There's still some room for anybody in the river parishes or beyond that wants to be a part of that.
I love how y'all have spread out not only across South Louisiana, but I know you guys do some events all over the country now. Really, really special. Y'all even have an event coming up at the Superdome soon.
In the Superdome on the 24th, okay? This one is going to be presented by ExxonMobil.
Okay.
And it's going to be after the Bayou Classic press conference on the 24th. And this is going to be a full STEM fest where, again, kids in grades kindergarten through 12th grade are invited. All of our STEM fests and STEM Saturdays are absolutely free. So just go to our website at stemnola.com and you can sign up for any of them. Or if you're interested in volunteering, if you're a college student or a STEM professional and you want to volunteer to mentor young kids who are interested in science, technology, engineering, and math, and bananas that play music, go to our website.
There's science involved in that, and some computer engineering, I'd say. Talk to me about the reaction from the kids when you go out and y'all put on these events. How do they act? Because if a parent's never been to one of your events, you don't understand just how excited those kids get.
That is to me, that's the most amazing thing about it. Is for many of these children, this is their first time being exposed to these types of hands-on activities and experiments. So if you can imagine 60 different stations with 60 different hands-on activities.
Things like this.
And kids are discovering things for the very first time. The reactions are priceless, not just from the children, but from their parents. And from the volunteer mentors who are working with these children. It's absolutely priceless. And the beauty of all these events is the parents and children go away and they tell all their neighbors, their friends, their relatives, and that's how we build excitement for STEM, for our workforce of...
I was about to say, for the future generations of engineers, mathmaticians, and the like. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Look, I'm gonna play us out to break. Next on NOLA Now.